And one thing I changed when I found out that I was pregnant is that I started to have breakfast. I used to intermittent fast, not like a long one, just like 14, 16 hours. And I really liked working out on an empty stomach.
Hello, veg heads. Mike here from antivegannonsense, and today, Yovanna Mendoza, aka Rawvana, and her Who I Eat in a Day Pregnant Edition. Let's get into it.
Hey fam, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I will show you what I eat in a day. During my pregnancy, I am 19 weeks pregnant, and the first thing I do is drink water. Super important to stay hydrated while you're pregnant and even if you're not pregnant. And I always wake up very, very thirsty, so that is the first thing I do. Today I added some electrolytes, and the brand is this is my favorite salt, and they also make electrolytes. And this helps to make your water more hydrating. And then when I come back from my workout, I make my protein smoothie, which I will show you later. I'm gonna be making a yogurt with berries.
Yovanna, do you not understand how ironic this is? You're pregnant, and you're talking about exploiting another species by making them pregnant, then stealing their baby just so you can have their breast milk and turn it into yogurt. It's not like there isn't coconut yogurt or soy yogurt or almond yogurt or oat yogurt. No, those don't exist. You have to exploit another animal just to take their breast milk. And yet here you are, pregnant, with your own baby on the way. How would you feel if someone came along on the day this baby is born, took it away from you, and should the baby be male, shoot it in the head or sell it for meat? Or if the baby is a female, either sell it as a dairy cow that will be exploited, or the most likely scenario is the cow gets rotated into the herd as soon as they're of age to be able to bear children and produce milk. The irony here is not lost on me. Clearly, it's lost on you.
And I just brought out the yogurts that I have in my fridge.
My brain feels
because
sharp.
I want to show you guys different kinds of yogurts. All of these yogurts are grass-fed, organic, and whole milk. The benefits of eating full-fat dairy products is to create strong bones in your baby.
Yay! 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 Yay!
How do you make sense in your head that it's okay to condemn another mother to have her baby stolen from her and her breast milk taken away just so you can drink it with some weird false notion that it's gonna magically give your baby strong bones by you consuming that milk? This industry has you so brainwashed, and here you are spreading this ridiculous message to your followers. And you can get all that calcium from plants, like broccoli or edamame. Wow!
For those of you that are lactose intolerant, you might do better with goat milk yogurt or with Greek yogurt. Yogurt is also a fermented dairy product, and fermented dairy products tend to have even more vitamin K2.
Supermarkets have lots of milks to choose from these days, many of which are the product of blending up and straining various nuts and seeds. Plain old milk, on the other hand, is also a strained product. It's filtered cow blood.
So another reason to eat full-fat yogurt if you can tolerate it. If you can't tolerate it, then I recommend to have coconut yogurt. This is a strawberry cheesecake flavor, which is really good. And then this other one is the coffee flavor. Okay, so I want to talk about coffee. Yes, I drink coffee. During pregnancy, I only drink around 10 ounces of coffee a day. And also another reason I didn't drink coffee in the first trimester is because it's the most delicate trimester. It's the most delicate time. So I didn't want to drink anything that would get in the way of that. Right now I'm gonna make myself a protein shake.
I am too smart. I am too smart. SMRT.
This is what I'm gonna put in my smoothie. Vanilla plant-based protein. You guys know I love it. Been using it for so long. It has 20 grams of protein. And I'm gonna add some collagen that has vitamin C as well. And it's grass-fed. Everything is in there. Now we just hunt. Lunchtime is here. And now we bake. Literally put it in and then take it out. Salmon is one of the best things that you can eat during pregnancy because of its high omega-3 fatty acid content, also a great source of protein. Okay guys, so I want to share with you what supplements I'm taking prenatals. Another one is vitamin B complex. Zinc is another one. Next one is E, vitamin E complex. And the last one that I take is vitamin D with K2.
Vitamin D3 starts as lanolin, the oil obtained from sheep and lamb's wool. The lanolin is exposed to ultraviolet light to activate the fat and then turns into vitamin D3 and used for vitamin supplements. Although vitamin D3 is an animal source product, the animal is not harmed during this process.
Ruth is making lanolin, a natural fat extracted from a sheep's fleece.
Right, now I've just got to bring this up to the boil, and that will melt all the fats in the wool and allow them to be released from the wool.
A day later, and Ruth's lanolin is ready.
This is never-before-seen footage from a massive sheep farm near Coober Pedy, Australia. On this farm, workers were recorded kicking, throwing, standing on, and wounding terrified sheep used for wool. A supervisor slammed this orphaned lamb, named Morgan by PDUS, against the floor and threw the young animal into a paddock to die. As Morgan lay kicking in agony, you can hear a shearer laugh. Sheep like this one, named Alex by PDUS, also had chunks of their flesh cut off with shears in a crude attempt to address problems caused by breeding them to produce excessive amounts of wool. In Australia, the world's top wool exporter, most sheep are still subjected to this cruel practice. And this operation isn't the exception. Eyewitnesses have visited sheep farms and shearing sheds on 3 continents and seen hundreds of sheep, just like Morgan and Alex, kicked, thrown, cut, and killed for wool. Please, don't buy wool.
Okay guys, so I'm finishing just getting ready, just took a shower, and I put this 2 times a day. I try to do it 2 times a day. Sometimes I forget and I just do it once a day. It's called Baby Moon, and it's this cream special for like a growing belly. Now we're making dinner, and I am making a grass-fed patty. Dorian's having a ribeye and some ground beef. I'm going to add some of this cheese, raw sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna wrap the burger in lettuce, romaine lettuce, and I'm gonna add avocado and ketchup and mustard. I wanna share one more thing that I've been eating throughout my pregnancy. This is lamb liver. I've been eating also chicken liver. And the way that I make it is I basically just cook the liver with onions, with butter and some herbs, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow,
and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow, and then I sealed it with some tallow.
And the reason why I'm eating iron is that because it helps build a strong, healthy baby.
So you're going to consume the liver of a baby? For your baby? What?
It has the highest content of iron, like besides any other food. And iron is so important because you do not want to be anemic. Lamb liver helps build strong, healthy baby. 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 Lamb liver helps build strong, healthy baby.
There is no political solution.